What's good, y'all? My name is Josh Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you all a step-by-step process on how I learn a new programming language. The programming language that I'm going to learn in this series is Vue.js. So I'm going to show you all the way that I set everything up, how I create projects with regards to that programming language, how I'm actually learning it, and give you all just the insights, because I know sometimes when you're trying to become a developer or trying to learn a new programming language, I think it'd be a good insight on how somebody actually learns a new programming language. So I'm going to try to do this with all the technologies that I'm trying to learn in 2023. So that includes Flutter, and it also includes C++. So be on the lookout for that. But the first one is Vue.js. So I hope you all enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 3K. So be sure to subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. All right, so first things first is I'm going to type in Vue.js, and then bam, right here, I'm gonna click on the main website. It looks really clean, looks really nice. Then I get started. And now I'm in the introduction, and now I'm going to just start reading documentation for Vue 3. So first, what is Vue? And Vue is a JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. And as I'm reading this, I see that it's built on top of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this is an example right here of Vue. Looks pretty interesting. And right now I'm just skimming through it just to kind of see what's going on, see some key terms. That's usually my first few things that I do to just get started with the new programming language. So I'm looking at the APIs now, or the composition API. Just keep skimming through it, just trying to read a little bit as I'm going through, but nothing too big because it's my first time looking at Vue.js. And now I'm going to look at the playground to get a little example of how it works. And I got the hello world right here, and now I'll put learning Vue.js right here. So see how it works. It looks pretty good. And yeah, I see it has the data and the return, and then the message MSG. And yeah, I think what I'm going to try to do now is just set up Vue.js. So here we go. So I'm gonna create my first Vue application. This should be fun, and let's get into it. Get on my GitHub. I'm gonna create a repository name for it. It's called Vue.js Fundamentals, because this is just the fundamentals. I think that would be better. And then I'm going to type in just a little description: beginner's guide to learning Vue.js. I'm gonna add my README, and then I'm gonna create this repository. So bam, is here. Now I'm going to clone it. So now I'm going to paste the code that I got from the website and try to get this application running. And also it gives us this these questions, and at this point I can start getting ready to run this project. But before I can get it running, I need to make sure I do an npm install. After the npm install, after that loads up, then I should be good to go, as you can see. And then from there, now I'm going to do npm run dev, because it's in the right project. And here we go. We got our local host, and we're gonna click on that, and then we should be good to go. There you have it. So now I set up creating my first Vue.js application. Everything worked out. And this concludes part 1 of learning Vue.js. If you want to see more parts of me learning Vue.js and my whole process, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll be sure to make it happen. I'm really thankful for y'all. Let's keep improving. See you all in the next video.